Hello my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create a super easy hairstyle. You can make it every day when you're running late. So we'll begin by selecting our front section and our top section as well, and grabbing the rest back section. We want to make a low middle ponytail like I'm showing. Now grabbing a donut, we want to bring it to this ponytail, and then grabbing the hair from the ponytail, we want to spread it around our donut bun and wrap it, hiding it. Then we want to pin it in place using grips or bobby pins. Now we want to select our top section. I'll leave some hair out because I love this look, but this is totally optional. Bring it backwards if you need, and you have naturally heavy hair. Make sure to twist the roots of your hair first, and then smoothing it out, we want to bring it backwards, twist it a bit and pin it in place. Now grabbing the ends of our top section, we want to bring it over our bun created and pin it underneath, hiding the ends like I'm showing. If your hair is longer, this definitely will look even nicer. Now grabbing our side section and leaving some hair out, we want to twist it lightly and bring it backwards over bun created, pinning it in place on one side, and then we want to repeat these steps on the other side as well. You can accessorize it if you need, use some hairspray to fix it, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this super quick and easy hairstyle. In my opinion, it's so unique looking, and I hope you like it as much as I do. But you know, I love it so much, and you cannot do anything with that. See you soon. Bye.